Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious bread buns. First, gather your essential ingredients. 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast, 1 cup of warm water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 3 tablespoons of softened butter. Accurate measurements are key to a successful bake, so take your time with each component. Now let's get our hands dirty. In a large bowl, combine the warm water, yeast, and sugar, letting it sit for about 5 minutes until foamy. This confirms your yeast is active. Then, add the flour, salt, and softened butter. Mix until a shaggy dough forms, then turn it out onto a lightly floured surface. Knead for 8 to 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic, passing the window pane test. After kneading, it's time for the first rise. Lightly grease a large bowl, place your dough inside, turn it once to coat, then cover it with plastic wrap. Let it rise in a warm place for about 1 hour or until it has doubled in size. Once risen, gently punch down the dough to release the air. Now, divide the dough into 12 equal pieces, each weighing approximately 2 ounces, and shape them into smooth, round buns. Almost there, place your shaped buns on a parchment-lined baking sheet, leaving about 2 inches between each. Cover them loosely and let them rise for a second time, about 30 minutes until visibly puffy. While they rise, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the buns for 15 to 20 minutes or until they are beautifully golden brown on top. Enjoy your freshly baked, warm, and fluffy bread buns.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.